Hello, good morning dear students. How are you all? Today we will learn lesson number 2, Dakshin Padam. Dakshin means right and Padam means leg. Dakshin Padam means right leg. Okay? This is an action song. It proves the live lines of Sanskrit. Okay? Sanskrit is not only the language of gods. It is also practical language. The song present here will make the children exercise their bodies. Therefore, the children will do actions or will exercise their bodies according to the words while singing the song. Okay? So, try it in your house. दक्षिणपादं पुरुष्कुरु दक्षिणपादं कुरु पृष्ठं मंदं मंदं भ्रामयतं गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. Dakshinpadam means right leg. Puraskuru means put forward. Prustham means behind. Okay? And Kuru means do. Tam means it. Mandam mandam means slowly slowly. Brahmaya means move round or rotate. Swayam means yourself. Then Golakaram means round and round or in a circle. And Brahma means turn, rotate. Now translation. Put forward the right leg. Put the right leg back. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Clear? Now second. Vamapadam puraskuru, Vamapadam kuru prustham. Mandam mandam brahmayatam golakaram swayam brahma. Vamam padam means left leg. Right means dakshin and left means vam. Vamam padam means left leg. Prustham means at the back. Golakaram means round and round. And swayam brahma means yourself turn. Now translation. Put the left leg forward. First stanza is right leg forward. Then second stanza is put the left leg forward. Put the left leg back. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Now third stanza. Dakshin hastam puraskuru, Dakshin hastam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayatam golakaram swayam brahma. Dakshin hastam means right hand. Dakshin means right and hastam means hand. Now translation. Put the right hand forward. Put the right hand back. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Now fourth one. Vama hastam puraskuru, Vamam hastam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayatam golakaram swayam brahma. Vamam hastam means left hand. Okay? Put the left hand forward, put the left hand back. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Now fifth one. Hastam dvayam puraskuru, Hastam dvayam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayatat golakaram swayam brahm. Hasta dvayam means two hands. Okay? Put your two hands forward, put your two hands back. Turn them round slowly and move yourself round and round. Now sixth one. Sarvangahi puraskuru, Sarvangahi kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayatat golakaram swayam brahm. One by one सभी बॉडी पार्ट्स ऐसे आ रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज के लिए. Sarvangam means all the parts. All the parts of the body. Bend all your body parts forward. Bend all your body parts back. Turn them round slowly and move yourself round and round. Now last stanza. Sarve militva khelam, Sarve militva ghayam. सर्वे मिलित्वा खादाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा नृत्याम. Sarve means we or all. Militva means together. And Khelam means let us play. Gayam means let us sing. Khadam means let us eat or enjoy food together. Nrutyam means let us dance. Okay. And Vayam Sarve means that is understood. Now translation. Let us all play together. Let us all sing together. Let us all eat food together. And let us all dance together. Are you understand this poem? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.